Hello and welcome to the Bede Senior School proposal to set up a mining facility on Europa. Our structure is divided into four main sections: the mine, the research facility, the habitat, and the living quarters. The mine is separated from the hab by a 30-meter long transport tunnel. Mining operations will take place in a circular building with a floor area of 5,000 meters squared to account for all the equipment and structural requirements. The transport tunnel then leads to the combined hab and research building. The research building acts as an extension of the central living cylinder and separates work from leisure. The hab's lower floor contains a number of miscellaneous recreational and essential facilities. The upper floor contains power, water, food and waste processing. The sleeping quarters themselves branch out into three extensions. These rooms contain a number of items and allow for a fully immersive VR experience, allowing for researchers to interface with family and friends as well as host and attend academic lectures and debates from the comfort of their rooms.
The cabin air inside the settlement will be pressured to 1 atmosphere. The oxygen will be provided via electrolysis of salt water extracted from the ice. Human respiration will result in the production of H2O vapor and CO2 removed using the Sabatier reaction vessel. Water will be processed in a closed-loop system, thus minimizing waste. Biogas and fertilizer are byproducts from the process and are used as a power source and in the aeroponics system, respectively. For a primary power source, we'll be using a dual system comprised of a solar array and highly efficient thermoelectric cell panels made using carbon nanotubes with gold particles inside. A contingency source will be using a mixture of biogas generators and a 10 megawatt fusion reactor to provide a constant backup if needed. Food will be supplied through stacked aeroponics. A meat supply will come from tissue cultures and 3D printed meat, sustaining a varied and nutritious diet for everyone working in the base. On the settlement, waste plastic can be simply used in a refabricator to produce new printing filaments. Any nutrient-rich or organic waste will be incinerated and fed back into the aeroponic system. Scientific waste will be stored securely and jettisoned to the support ship in orbit to then be dealt with productively. The spacesuit will be used for exterior maintenance and expansion of the base. The lithium-air battery is needed to provide power to the suit to enable the use of HUD in the helmet and the heating system within the suit. The mining robot consists of rotating nozzles which 3D prints a ceramic graphite cylinder and rails which conduct power and provide a movement mechanism. To mine, it vaporizes the ice using hot water vapor, collecting some and leaving the rest to rise up the tube for collection. The drilling will be synchronized with tidal flexes to minimize the chance of water flowing up the drill shaft. The mining robots will dig down into areas where accommodation, hab, and mining facilities will be built, then create pilot holes. The horizontal robots will then dig out the areas connecting them with ceramic graphene rails. The robotic arms will carry wall segments to the construction robots who will weld them. Once complete, humans land and carry out safety checks, and then set mining robots to dig to the ocean. They will then start setting up the labs for research.